He's here. Hello. Let's try again. Hello. What's up, everyone? I'm back for some more streaming action. I'm here. What's up, Julian? He says, I hope you're doing well, Vloggy. Tips fedora hat and sips on Deathwish coffee. What's Deathwish coffee? What is that? Can you hear me okay? Is the audio okay? Is it too loud? Is it too soft? Angelo! I'm in a fantastic mood this evening. So I hope you can hear me well. I hope the game is not too loud. Is it too loud? Is it too loud? I'm going to be playing Resident Evil 2 tonight for a change, but with a difference. You're going to see very soon. Why Deathwish coffee is only best coffee? No, Deathwish coffee. I never heard of that. And I like coffee, so I'm going to look that up. Does it have alcohol inside? Cloggy buddy time! Hey, Original. Hey, Allah. How is everyone doing? What do you say? Their subscription delivers daily bags. Their subscription delivers daily bags of their coffee brand. Seriously? Seriously? Hey, Midna, welcome. Nice to see you. I was gonna do a Pokemon stream this evening, but I didn't do it because of one viewer. He's like, don't do it because I think he's in hospital or something. Red Rooster. He's been bugging me to do a Pokemon stream for a very long time, and I wasn't feeling it. I have to feel it to do it, you know. And he's like, I hope you don't feel it Tuesday or Wednesday. And I'm like, I might. I felt like streaming tonight, Pokemon, but he's in hospital, so you know how it is. I'm doing great, Allah. Thank you for asking. Thank you for complimenting my background. Thank you. Thank you. This is my sound. This is gonna be my final setup finally. Mac Knight, there you are. And there's Sakura. It's not Cara Mia. It's Caro Mio. It's Caro Mio. Caro. I guess we're starting. All right. Yeah, Midna, I'm gonna be streaming sometime this week. I promise. And I know I've been promising a lot, but and I haven't been delivering. But this week, I'm waiting for Red Rooster to come out of hospital because it's not fair for him. Oh, yeah. It's caro mio. It's caro mio, or just say bruh, or sexy. All right, let's start. So as I was saying, we're gonna play Resident Evil 2. With a difference, it's called the extreme mode. Apparently, zombies and monsters and everything respawns once you leave the room. They will come back, you know? So, yeah, let's go. I forgot the wine, so I'm gonna go get the wine while the cutscene plays. I'll be right back. I hope the game's not too loud. Let me know if it's too loud or too quiet, alright? I'll be right back. I feel so powerless alone. Vloggy is not excited to see me, but I am excited to see you. Be right back.
Mutagenic toxin created by the international enterprise Umbrella Incorporated for use in bioweapon experiments. The Raccoon City Police Department's Special STARS unit immediately began investigation. The case was apparently closed, thanks to the efforts of STARS members Chris Redfield and Jill Valentine. But the Umbrella Corporation's experiments were far from finished.
No sound. What? No sound? Don't say no sound. Because the lines are going up and down. I'm just being seriously no sound. What? No. I was just quiet. Don't do that. You don't hear the game. I can put the game up. That's fine. All right, hold on.
Man, what a mess. done this.
How about now? Is it okay now?
What was that?
Is it okay now? Is it too loud now? Is it overpowering me? Let's test. Let's test together, you and me. I like to be quiet during the cutscenes, that's why.
Don't move! Don't move! No!
Alright, that's good. So now that you brought me out of my quiet mode, I will say I will hello the people that I haven't helloed yet, such as Emily. And there's Amy as well. Who else did I not hello? I think I helloed everyone else though. Yeah? I think so.
Wait! Don't shoot!
Down!
Get down! I was gonna do a Sakura,
Stay out here.
and I just
Police station.
do the dialogue for them, you know, but I realized how annoying that is. I'm kidding. Oh man. It's perfect now, that's fantastic. That's good. It's good.
Okay.
How is everyone? How is everyone? Oh, my phone's vibrating.
What's going
Emily, thank you for the retweet!
on? The whole place
Thank
went
you.
insane.
The radio's out.
You're a cop, right?
Yeah, first day on the job. Great, huh? Name's Leon Kennedy. Nice to meet you.
Oh, by the way, I'm wearing pajama
Claire
bottoms.
Redfield. I came to find your brother, Chris.
Sakura's like, what? I just watched Beauty and the Beast, so I've been blubbering. Was it good? I heard it's good.
There's a gun
Do not
inside.
spoil it.
Better take it with you.
And now Raven retweeted me. Thank you, Raven! If you're watching, come out of lurk. No, it's fine, you can lurk.
You okay?
Still in one piece.
There she is! There's Raven. I managed to bring her out of lurk. And now Sakura retweeted. Thank you! Alright, I need to calm my tits.
Leon!
I'm okay. Head to the station. I'll meet you there.
V4! Nice to see you. We're gonna play. We're gonna play this with a difference, alright? We're gonna play this with a difference. It might be harder. It not might be harder. It's not might be harder. It's definitely harder. Uh-oh. Controller! Ah! Hang on. La la. You're gonna see the difference now. Hold on. Ah! There we go. Difference starts now. Check this out, guys. What? You think I would put Chris in the thumbnail and not play as Chris? Come on.
Freeze! Who are you? What are you doing here?
Hold your fire. I'm a human.
Sorry about that. I thought you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on. I don't have a clue. By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire city was infested with zombies.
Oh, chat is distracting me. Stop distracting me. Alright, so hang on, because I need to acknowledge a few things. Sakura's like, who is this dude? Can somebody tell her who is this dude? Who is this guy? Let me see if I can get a better angle so you can look at him better. Look at the badge on the side. That's Chris Redfield. No, it's not steroids Redfield. It's standard Chris Redfield without steroids. Steroids less Redfield. So yeah, that's him. How are you, Juan Pablo? Welcome. And Glenny, hello. Nice to see you. I'm doing great, man. Thanks for asking. Someone else, Raven wanted to see me model that. That will never happen. If there was only a way I could model without being recorded, I would do it. Like in real life, perhaps. Yeah, it is Chris. All right, let's go. No! Let's go. Seriously, but no way. No way. Thank you so much. I look forward to trade more Pokemon with you. Very soon. Very soon. Alright, now then. Come on, come on. Come on, push. Come on, move it. Do you fitness, bro? Did you like that one, Sakura? Did you like that? Did you like that? Alright, I would love to try to dodge this. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can. Sometimes I can pull this off, sometimes I can't. Let's see. Whoa! Did you see that? Did you see that? Sometimes I can pull it off, sometimes I can't. This time, I don't know if it's RNG. I honestly don't know, but like a pro. Like a pro! Whew. Okay. You look good. Why? Because my biceps really pumped in that video because of the weightlifting, and that wasn't my first take. So yeah. Yeah, I did like 4 takes, and each time I had to do the thing. So my biceps really pumped, and everyone's like, "Eee, what a nice bod you have!" Hold on. Oh! Did you see that? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? Huh? So he's getting excited. Oh! Okay, that's enough. Look, it's Brad! Brad! Alright. I am so good. Sweet, sweet herbage. This is a very weird mode, however, because I need to be careful. Zombies will respawn. So hold on, let's see. What's going on? Usually I don't play Pokemon during the school, but no, I don't want to be responsible for you playing Pokemon during school. Do not. Come on. School is more important. I heard.
Oh, man. Who are you?
It would be even better if you were that.
You must be the
No.
guy.
No, Raven. No.
Sorry, but it looks like
Remember the
the
third
party
police stage. I remember
has
the
been
3D police.
cancelled.
Oh yeah. You know what I was gonna play instead of this today? I was gonna play the prototype. Remember when I played the prototype last summer of this game? It was so good, man. The unfinished textures and stuff. I was gonna do it, but it would have been a short stream. Maybe I'll do it after I finish RE2 some other time, though. Because I cannot be up late today. I have
They risked
an
their
interview
lives to
tomorrow.
reveal the truth, but no one believed them. Not long after that, all this started
Will
to
Smith.
happen.
I love how Emily pronounces the TH. Well, types the TH, because you're supposed to say th when it's the TH, the. But she says F, she types F, so Will Smith or thanks. So when she says my name is actually Kenneth, so Kenneth. So Emily would type my name like this.
Just hold
Hold
on.
Like this. Kenneth. Anywho. Oh man, hold on, select the window again. So everybody's been on a hype lately submitting their runs to speedrun. I'm gonna take that actually now, because I don't know how hard the game's gonna get. So everybody's been submitting their runs to speedrun.com or .net or whatever. Everybody's on this hype right now of sending. What's this? I don't know why I did this. Anyway, and thanks, Kenneth. So yeah, and I submitted an RE2 run, but it's not showing up. And I didn't receive, like, it wasn't accepted or anything like that. I did submit it and I created an account and blah blah blah, but nothing. If I do submit a run, it's gonna have to be an offline run because I'm easily distracted with chat. Ellie always spells it Alpert. Yes, that's where I got it from too. Alpert. I caught you in chat. You caught me in chat. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna say for now though. Alright, let's go. Look at me playing as Chris. Did I get a sub hype? Oh, I did! Oh my goodness. Yes, guys, please let me know when I get a sub because the notification is not working for some reason. I mean, it's working, but the audio, I'm not hearing it. I don't know. It felt like not working. So, thank you for subscribing, João Eduardo. Thank you so much. I love you, buddy. I'll try my best to entertain you. Let's go. Let's go. Pick this up real quick. He's gonna tongue me. He's gonna tongue me. And not right. I told you. And not the good way. Not the good kind. Love is in the air. And just love and wine. I already finished a glass. And I'm not even halfway through the game. No, next cutscene I'll make myself another drink. Next cutscene. More patatas. Oh man, I miss the patata days. No, wrong button. Somebody asked me if I was wearing pants. No, I'm wearing pajama bottoms tonight. But I'm looking forward to start doing pantsless streams. I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna happen soon. Spring started. It's gonna warm up here in Malta very soon, and that would mean pantsless stream. And you know me. This is gonna get tough because I'm gonna pass through this area a lot, and zombies are gonna keep respawning every single time. Not good. Not good. Oh, I don't know why my auto aim is off. I could have dodged them, but with a lot of luck, and I don't feel like gambling with my luck. Stay down, sucker. Oh, he's coming as well, this guy. Coming. Oh. No, no. There we go. Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Come on, come on, come on. Because there's no point in killing them. The moment I step out of this room, and I don't even know I'm going in this room. I don't think there's any point to this room. Oh no! Hold on, well, there's some handguns over here. Look at this, guys. The moment I get out, more zombies again. Look at this. You see? Oh, what? What? The herbs come back as well? What? The area's reset? Seriously? No, that's really good. Thank you, game. That is so good. Did you see that? The herbs respawned as well. I like that. So wait a sec. If everything resets, what if I finish this puzzle, for instance? I wonder. Sweet, sweet herbage. Yeah, that's Oh, I can't wait to show you my sweet, sweet herbage t-shirt. It's gonna be legendary. Legend. Wait for it. Come on, push. Items respawn hype. Yeah, I'm wondering, what if I complete this puzzle, leave this room and come back? Is it gonna give me another one of those? We'll see. So it's not just the zombies that respawn then. Let's see, so I'm gonna pick up this. Or pick this up. Correct grammar. Hold on. Let's see. And I'm gonna go back. Guys, if the game crashes... Oh! Another one! Okay, I need to be careful though. I don't know to... I have an unlimited supply of everything. That's good. Okay. Okay. That's good. So that means I pretty much have unlimited supply of everything then. I have a great idea. Hold on, I have a great idea. This is gonna be amazing. Yeah, the game resets the A every single time you leave the room, so the zombies are gonna come back and even the items. So for instance, if I want... Hold on. The shotgun, I can take many shotguns. Hold on. Uh-oh. Hold on. He found his own diary and he's gonna read it.
Leon!
It's your brother.
It's good to see you're still among the living.
You don't recognize your own brother?
It looks like we're not gonna find your brother here after all.
What? What's going on? What's the new word you just learned?
There's no reason for us to stay any longer than necessary. Let's split up, look for
There's only
any
2 glasses in this
survivors,
bottle.
and
I'm
get
gonna
out
go
of
get another one. No bueno.
Right.
No.
here. One last thing. Here's a radio. Take it. That way we can keep in touch.
Kingdom! Hello! Nice to see you, buddy. Okay, let's out of here. Look, they're gonna respawn. Look. Ah! I'm trying to think of a place where there's shotgun shells. Grinding some destiny. Alright, I think I got this. Whoopsie daisy. Like a boss. Guys, listen closely to his... Ah! It's Chris's not Leon's. Listen to it. Did you hear that? Let's try again. Listen closely. You can't hear him because of the other moaning. Let's try again. Oh, there's gonna be a licker here. Should I shoot him? There's no point. He's gonna come back. So the sweet herbage always comes back. That's nice. Nice. Very, very sweet herbage. Let's go. This way. I tried to play the game with Sherry, but it doesn't work. For some reason, it doesn't work. She can't hold a gun. So it kept crashing. Not crashing, it works. But she wouldn't hold a gun. And she kept walking awkwardly. And glitchily. He's not going, come. Really? Ah! That's where I need to go, actually. Hold on. Ah! Alright, alright. We got this. Hold on. Yes, I have enough room. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think it's gonna be hard, this game. I hope. Another herbage real quick. Ah, I'm full. What am I doing? That's fine. That is fine. I need to find a place where there's shotgun shells so I can leave the room, come back, leave the room, come back, and I keep grinding on. Hold on. The only room I can think of. There's tons of zombies. Not this again. They keep coming back. Ah, you're back. There was no point in killing him because they're gonna be back. Look, would you like to pick up a spare shotgun? No. Wait a sec. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. You know what? I am gonna pick up another shotgun. Why not? You know what, King Tim? I'm starting to give up on the remake. Maybe it's not coming out. I don't know. I'm sad. I'm really sad. I check every day for news. Ah, I'm hurt. I really want the remake of this game. Come on, gather up. Gather up. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Last E3, that's what I was saying. Like, this is gonna be it. And they announced Resident Evil 7 instead. Like, come on, man, I need shotgun rounds. Heads off. I don't know, last E3 I was really excited that I was gonna see Resident Evil 2 remake. I was so disappointed when that didn't happen, so I don't know. I don't want to repeat the disappointment again. I don't, so Come on, come on. I can do it, I can do it. Now then, I had this all along. I don't know why I didn't use it. Interesting. Look, they announced that they're working on Resident Evil 2 Remake. So I was like, their next game is going to be Resident Evil 2 Remake. And I was waiting for it at E3. And RE7 was announced. RE7 came out. And I'm like, okay, now RE2 Remake is next. Now they announced that Revelations 1 is coming on the PS4 as well. So that is going to be the next game now. Nope. Hello, Sean Slaughter. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, that's good. I'm doing great, Sean. Thank you for asking. How are you, man? Hey, Eric! What's up, Eric? Nice to see you. This is where you can shoot the screen, I think. Yes? No? I don't know how. Oh, it's empty. Never mind. Never mind. Some good dodging action. Let's see. 1, 2, go! No! I want to find some shotgun rounds. Where are they? Where are they? Stars. Nothing here. Was there something up there? Nothing special. If you say so, Chris. Stars. I can make a star's voice. This way, this way. I'm so good. Come on. Come on, sucker. Come on, sucker. There we go. Now I'm gonna put the fire out. Like this. Oh, come on. I don't have the patience to watch the cutscene. I'm running around with an empty shotgun. How am I doing with nothing? Hold on. I know where there's shotgun rounds. Oh, I'm gonna do a party. I'm gonna do a party. Hold on. It's gonna be awesome. Hold on. I'm gonna abuse the system now. I don't care. I am going to abuse the system. And you know what? I don't need the handgun anymore. That's it. We're done with the handgun. And not even... not even the valve handle. We're done with the valve handle as well. Guys, check this out. Look how smart I am. Look how... I am so smart. It's amazing. Hello, Mr. Zomb. Not even using auto aim today. Because auto aim is for noobs. Look at this, guys. Shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. Shotgun shells. Maybe I should speed up the game for a little bit so that I can actually grind some shotgun shells. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Like this, perhaps? How is it done? Like this? There we go. Look at this, guys. Actually, it's not working. Hold on. Is it working? Magic! For some reason, the loading sequences don't speed up, though. Shall I play the entire game in this speed? Gotta go fast! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Gotta go fast! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. I want 100 shotgun shells. I don't care. I want 100 shotgun shells. 100. Oh man, this is so funny. Grinding. Alright, we're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Alright, that's enough. $70, almost there, guys. Please bear with me. Bear with me, I want 100. Because... Red Rooster! Red Rooster! What are you doing here? Weren't you supposed to be in hospital or something? Huh? Huh? You're alive. It's good to see you're still among the living. No, but I was gonna play Pokemon this evening, and I didn't play Pokemon because you said... I didn't put Pokemon on because of you! Because you said you're gonna be in hospital or something. Well, I wanted to play Pokemon tonight. There was Midna here earlier, and I was telling her how much I wanted to play Pokemon, but I decided to go for Resident Evil for a change because you weren't able to watch it, you know? You see, I did it because of you, Red Rooster. Come on, man. Come on. Look at me. I'm grinding shotgun shells instead. So you're out, yeah? You're out then. Okay, sometime this week I'm gonna play Pokemon because I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling the mojo. Is this the new Zelda game? Yes, Wolvie. Everybody's playing Zelda. It's so mainstream. I play games that... I try to play games, but hey, the t-shirt is Zelda though. Is it? I think it is. Anyway. You lied to the nurse. You told her you're a non-smoker. Hmm? You know what, Swabby? Since you've told me about the low latency, each time I'm creating an event and I'm selecting low latency, I think of you every single time. Every single time. Alright, we're done here. We're done doing the Sonic thing. Back to normal speed. There we go. We got the... Pick this up. So So yeah, I was saying, I don't like to play mainstream games unless I'm really crazy about the game. If I'm really crazy about the game, yes, I will play it. Like Minecraft, for instance, I'm crazy about the game. But I don't play it because it's so mainstream. Ah! The TJS. Yes, that's right. Wow, I'm feeling hot all of a sudden. What's going on? Hey, you. Oh! He was just chilling there. He wasn't gonna get me. And then he decided like, surprise, sucker! Alright. Alright, I'm glad you're okay though, Red Rooster. So, sometime this week, I'll play Pokemon and I'll give you your shiny Alolan Vulpix so you get off my back. And I'll never see you again. You'll just leave me. There he is, Midna. Look, you see Red Rooster? He's the reason why I'm not playing Pokemon tonight. Get off me! So now, which way? I forgot for a sec. I got the thing downstairs. Actually, let's go this way. Roblox a hands up. You know what, Swabby? You stream Roblox and I will stream Roblox. I would have to install it and everything. But you do it. And I'm not saying you stream it and you stream it for like half an hour. You have to stream it for like a full session, alright? You stream it and I'll stream it. Right, left, right. Which one is left and right? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Now this way. Yes, yes, no, yes. This way. Easier. Hold on. I'm thinking. Yeah, it's better this way. Trying to avoid zombies since they respawn every single time. Run, run, run. It's empty. I need to get some more. Next cutscene. Should I go in there? Yes, I should. Let's go. Oh, nice. He managed to get a hit on me. God dang it. Heard you freak out and I'm a girl. You said there he is in the video and you said that there he is in the video instead of there she is. Unless I confused the sex. What? Who was I talking about? There he is who? I don't know. I have a tendency of doing that. Don't mind me, I'm drinking. Alright, come on, grab the herb and out. Grab the herb and out. Grab the herb. If I can pull this off. Come on! Oh, I think I can. I think I can pull this off. Hold on. Hold on. I think I can. Whew. I'm feeling hot all of a sudden. I think it's gonna be a no pants stream. Hold on. Because I'm feeling hot all of a sudden. Is it the wine? Come on, grab the herb. Out. Out, out, out. Come on, come on, come on. I should be okay now. I should be okay. I've been meaning to buy Resident Evil for the DS, so I can play it properly without emulating it. But it's so expensive, god dang it. And I went to the second-hand, you know, the used game store, and they don't have it. I went to the second-hand game store, the used game store, and he has nothing, just a bunch of FIFAs and Call of Duties. Games nobody wants, he has. Not this again. This way. Moo. I mean, when I say expensive, considering how old the game is, that's my point. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ooh, what danger! Whew. Whew. We're good. Watch out, I'm gonna blow your brains out. There we go. Out. No. Oh, you're off, Mac Knight. Okay, bye. Bye, have a great time. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Take care. Cheese? Nice. Ah, god dang it. Nice. Alright, so I got another key. You know what? Never mind. I'm still over 100. That's good. Oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Easy, buddy. Okay. We're good. We're safe. When you meet a girl and you give her a fake name, listen. Actually, no. He's not gonna give her his name for now.
Sorry about that. When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
Who are you?
Ada Wong.
And what are you doing here?
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types.
I want some more wine.
Always looking for a scoop. I heard he was locked up in the cell block, only there's a wrecked car barring the entrance. I've been trying to find another way inside. If we work together, we can move this thing. Give me a hand here, will you?
More wine. I want more wine, actually, yes. I'm regretting not getting up while this cutscene was playing. Stupid. I hesitated. Come on. Ada, wait!
Ada, wait!
Oh, there's another cutscene here, I forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some wine while the cutscene plays. Let me guess. You must be Ben, right? Alright, I'll be right back.
Let me guess. You must be Ben, right? Get up, now.
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here.
Is this the guy?
Ben, you told the city officials that you knew something about what's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
And who the heck are you?
I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella, based in Chicago, but he suddenly disappeared 6 months ago. I heard a rumor that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to tell you?
Okay, I say we leave him in there. Does anyone know where they put the key to this cell?
I have it right here, officer. But I'm not about to leave this cell. Those zombies aren't the only things crawling around out there.
What was that?
Like I said, I'm not leaving this cell. Get out of here before you lead it right to me.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere. I'm the only cop left alive in this building.
What?
Look, if you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance, but it won't be easy.
All right, I'm going.
Oh, I made a few good jokes. I made a few good jokes. Serves me right. Ah, I cannot do the jokes again now because it finished the thing. Ah, GG. Good one. Good one. Oh, I'm so stupid. Well, anyway, I was saying that this is homemade wine. Oh man, I'm so stupid. I like to mute it before I go away because I put the headset down and I don't want to go bloom in your ears. I don't want to make people go deaf, you know? You know? That's why. But yeah, it's homemade wine. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. I'm waiting for a Spider-Man game as well. I can't wait to play stream a Spider-Man game. No, I'm just gonna put those away. Hold on a second. If the areas are resetting every single time, I'm not gonna put those keys right away, huh? Because I don't want to walk out and walk back in and they're gone. Yeah. No, I'm gonna put them in the box. And put them all at once. Because the areas are resetting and I don't want that. To ruin the run. What? He turned back to Leon? What?
I don't think I've been.
What's going on?
My name's Leon. I'm with the RPD.
Oh yeah, because I'm gonna play as Ada now, so they switched characters. Look at this, guys.
It's bad.
You think we can get upstairs through this shaft? Give me a boost. I'll go and check.
This is so funny. That's funny. That was epic. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know why I killed them because they're gonna come back. Proto Sam in the house! What's up? How are you, my friend? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I opened the wine, I still haven't poured it yet. Come on. Come on, my friend, come on. I bet you never played as Chris Redfield in RE2. Huh? 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 Huh, Sam? Huh? No, I'm kidding. You probably know what's going on, yes? It's just a Game Shark action replay. I keep saying Game Shark. An action replay code. That's all it is. I changed the character. And I also enabled what is known as extreme mode. Basically, everything comes back again when you kill them. I'm doing great, Sam. Thank you for asking. I hope you're doing well, my friend. Alright, I'm gonna pour some wine. This is most badass. It's GameCube. It's GameCube. You told me about GameCube, buddy, and I stuck to GameCube ever since. Boom! No. No! Oh no, this is where it ends. What am I gonna do? What? Your sis gave you a shiny Mew. Oh, that's nice. Is it legit? I don't know. Of course it's not, but be careful. Guys, if you're not... listen to Sam. Listen to Proto Sam. Okay, this is bad. This is bad, guys, because the area just reset and... Run! You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna disable the cheat real quick. I cannot disable the cheat though. I have to quit the game to disable the cheat. Right? Oh yeah, I can disable it from here actually. Extreme mode. I'm gonna disable it now. Let's see if I can do it. You sure it's legit? A shiny Mew? Alright, I'm scared now. Zombie dogs are back. Ah! No, I deserve that. Let's see. I think I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. Yep. Oh man. This is the end. Hold on. I'm gonna try something else. Hold on. I'm gonna try something else. Because it keeps resetting. The area keeps resetting and now it didn't reset, look. Maybe I have to go back and do the thing again and pretend like I need to grab the key once again. Let's do the puzzle one more time. Oh, the puzzle is done. I'm gonna grab another key just in case. Just in case. We'll see. Oh man. God dang it. Let's see. I disabled the cheat now. Maybe it helps. I don't know. Yes.
Leon, can you hear me?
I'm gonna enable the cheat one more time.
Did you find anything?
Right here.
I'm a genius. Right away he turned.
Hey, I can't reach the ventilation hole. I'm going to have to find another way around. I'll catch up with you later.
What? Ada, wait!
The swine. Alright. It's been a minute since you talked to me. Is that like an expression or is that a joke? Things are going well. Things are going very well. Alright, so now I have 2 sets of keys. I'm not going to pick that up. Actually, you know what? I should pick that up just for the sake of the game's consistency. That's fantastic, Midna. A nice, legit, shiny Mew. It's blue, isn't it? Let's go. Seriously? Okay. I'm poisoned. This looks really ugly on the camera. Go away. Go away. Go away. Now this way. I'm poisoned, am I? Oh. More dogs. Haha. There should be liquors here, but... Be careful, buddy. Nothing happened. Ah, so funny. You are funny, game. You are very funny. No! There's no point. I don't know why I picked up that. Ah, never mind. Okay. Nope. What's in here? Nothing? Nothing? Yes, thank you very much. Out. Now where do I go from here? Alright, yes, I know. Ah! No! No! He had to reload. Amy said something about Funko Pops. Hold on. No, seriously? Are you kidding me? He had to reload again. I thought he did. And probably has to do it again. No, he doesn't now. Alright, come on. Throws a Funko Pop at Vloggy. I see that. Now I see what you meant. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. I'll be back. I'll be back. You know, I found an awesome Funko Pop this week. I was going through the list, you know, marking, thumbing up and thumbing down the Funko Pops that I want, because you have to thumb up and down as many as possible, because the thing is this, Funko Pop doesn't care about the ones that you don't want. You make a lurker fart a monkey. So anyway, the thing is this, if you don't thumb a Funko Pop down, they can still send you that one if you don't mark it down. So I made sure to thumb down all the NFL ones and the wrestling ones and and the sport, all sports related ones have been thumbed down, because if you don't thumb them down, you're gonna receive them, and some of them are actually marked twice. So anyway, as I was going through the list, I found an awesome Funko Pop. You know The Hangover, the movie Hangover? You know Alan, the guy with the beard? There's a Funko Pop, him holding the baby. It's so cute. So yeah, I want that one too. Ah! And... Ah! Yeah, Amy, that's how I started. With the ones that I like. You know what I'm gonna do? I wish I could discard this, but I can't. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. I wish I could go to Comic-Con. You go to the New York Comic-Con, I suppose, eh? I wish I could go to that one. I heard it's amazing. You see, there's a plan. There's a plan going on here. I wish I could go to the New York Comic Con. It's so awesome. One day. One day, Sakura. One day. People can donate a Funko Pop to me instead of money. Lol. Oh, you. Yeah, the thing that's another thing I want. That's another thing. UK gonna sort my art room out. I need to sort out stuff. So anyway, everybody was doing. I had such great feedback, such positive feedback on my Funko Pop video, and I really enjoyed making it. I really did. And everybody's like, "Oh, make more unboxings." You know, you know those cost me money, right? I have to buy them first. So I'll buy more. I'll definitely buy more, but I don't know. I'll make sure I'll have at least another 6 to unbox before I make another video, though. And it's so funny. Sometimes, I mean, I subscribe for 2 a month for now, and it's okay. Hold on, I'm gonna do this real quick. Uh-oh. All right, hold on. And sometimes they send them 2 in a box. Oh, look at that. Liquor didn't come out. Anyway, sometimes they send them 2 in a box, and sometimes they send them separately. I don't know what that is, really. I want to make sure I receive 6 anyway before I make the next video, so it'll be a fun... Ah! It'll be a fun video to make. I'm gonna have to use another first aid spray. My first Funko was Hannibal. Yeah, I remember you telling me that. I have one for you, Amy. I'm just waiting for it to come back in stock. And it's awesome. It's awesome. You're gonna love it. You are going to love it. God dang it. Maybe I'll do a Funko Pop stream. Where I just do a stream unboxing Funkos and selecting ones from the list. It'll be fun, I think. What the heck? Oh yeah, I'm full. What movie are you talking about? Spider-Man? No, you're talking about... I mentioned Captain Jack Sparrow earlier, yeah? So you're talking about Pirates of the Caribbean. Ah! I avoid one and I get the other. Okay, I'm not gonna trust myself since I have... You gotta trust yourself. Ooh, that dodge. Malteser! There's a Malteser. There's a genuine Malteser in the chat. Oh no. But have a great time. So now I got the next. Where's the next one? Oh, up there. Up there. gonna go up. I need the crank. What? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's not October. In October. Sakura's turning 40. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I make a funny joke. Or I make a not a funny joke. Wow, this wine is really good, but it's sweet. And it's worrying me since I'm on low carb. Nice. This is one of my favorite tracks in the game. Listen to the music, it's fantastic. Anyway. Amy, I think I showed you my cousin's dog, eh? He looks exactly like Bosco, doesn't he? I think he is a French bulldog as well. Anyway, he looks a lot like Bosco, and his name is actually Roscoe. How weird is that? If I ever get a dog like that, I will call him Bosco as well. Bosco 2.0. Or just Bosco 2. Bosco the limited edition. He's a very adorable dog. I love him. And down we go. Oh, what? I can't go down. What? He can't go down. Ah! I hope it's not another glitch in the game. Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna disable it. I'm gonna disable the cheat real quick. See if it makes any difference. Hold on. I'll leave the room and come back. I may have to pick it up again, though. Oh, you. No, I disabled the cheat. We'll see if it makes any difference. Oh my goodness, he went on danger mode. Did you see that? He started limping badly. Oops. Now there you go. Taking another plug. Booyah! And I'm gonna keep the cheat disabled for now.
No! Get away! No!
I'm not gonna enable the cheat for now. And there's gonna be a blue herbage here, so we're gonna be okay. Get that scum! Make him pay! 7 months from now, it'll be 90. Yeah, that sounds about right. I'm kidding, Sakura. I'm kidding.
Come on, answer.
I'm kidding.
I don't believe this. I almost got the story.
Get that scum!
Man,
Make him pay! Gonna make another glass of wine.
irony.
Oh.
The chief of police and co-conspirator. Get that scum. Make him pay. Hang in there, Ben. Oh, my chest. It's burning. What's wrong?
Good God, what was that?
Oh man. Are you coming? Are you coming? I was gonna ask you. Like, are you still planning? Huh? Is it happening? Did Lloyd really say that? I almost read that. Mail to the chef. Let's go. I think this email is from Wesker. Hold on. There you go. No, it's not from Wesker, but they mention Wesker. We have lost the mentioned lab facility due to the actions of the renegade operative, Albert Wesker. Anyway, that's it. Seriously, Amy.
Where are you going?
Seriously?
Chemical plant.
It's happening.
Feeling after I'll find John.
Ada, wait. Hey,
Look at the hook
do you read me
thing
quick?
is still there.
We now have access to the back of the parking lot.
Got it.
I'm getting out of here and heading to the sewer. Can you meet me
What's
there?
wrong with my cap cards? What are you talking about?
On my way.
Me? My capture card? What you want about, Sakura? Hold on, I need to fix my... Tickle monster. Tickle. I'm gonna take this real quick. What's having problems? Amy is having problems, and now you? What problems? What you talking about, Willis? I don't have problems with my... I don't have problems with my capture card. Tickle. You know what? I'm gonna do something very cheap again. I don't care. Is there problems with the capture cards? I don't have problems with the capture cards. Oh, what? Oh yeah, that's right. I disabled the I disabled the cheat. I got used to it already. Was there an update to capture cards that now is not working for everyone? What's going on? Depends what capture cards you have. Going down. Take that, you son of a biscuit! Oh, he managed to... No! You serious? Eee! He got me on red caution. That chaitar. Alright, so the Pokemon live stream tomorrow. I don't think it will be tomorrow. No, I don't think it will be tomorrow. But sometime this week. Probably the weekend. Most likely the weekend. Either a Saturday or a Sunday. But I don't think it will be tomorrow. I don't need this. So this, and this. Actually, I want to try something. Hold on. Let's see if I put this two of the same, if it works. I don't know. Why not? But hold on. Hold on. Am I gonna need healing? Let's go without healing. We'll see. Come on. We'll see. I don't care. I don't care. Let's go. You have 3 of those. Oh, that's awesome. You have no idea how long I was looking for those. And then they told me you can breed them. It's easier. I don't know. Here it comes. Stream dead. What? Stream dead. Really? 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 Is it dead? Is it dead? Doesn't look like it's dead to me. Really? What? No. Stream bad. Not really. What? No. Stop streaming. What? Why you do this? Is it working now? I just stopped streaming and started streaming again. Is it working now? Don't do that to me, stupid OBS. Because my connection is boss. I know it's not the connection. It's not. Alright. You see, I love this version of Resident Evil. If you put the controller down and you don't touch it for a while, it goes on pause automatically. I love that. I love that. You could eat the Crab King one. Krabby. Kingler. Alright, so it's good. We're back, apparently. Alright, thank you for the feedback, guys. Otherwise, I would be playing and talking to myself and... Alright, let's do this, boss. He's down. The sucker is down. You know what I'm gonna do actually? Hold on. Run. Out of the door. That's how I got him with the X. Oh, okay. I think it's easier with the X, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's easier with the X. It's trying to look for them in the wild like a stupid. The thing is, I went on Cerebi and I saw the percentage of male to female ratio, and I'm like, I'm not gonna keep looking. But that's gonna be my next Pokemon for the team. Alright, so I'm gonna try a horse plug. Now I'm gonna try another horse plug. It just takes me out. How weird. Okay. I'm gonna try the king plug. And then the horse plug again. Nothing. Now I'm gonna try the rook plug. And then the butt plug. Alright, let's go. Out. I don't care. Out. Hey man! I'm gonna enable the cheat again, hold on. Apply. Oh, he's looking at her all in love. Hey girl, what's up girl? Mwah. He's holding water with his face. One of these days I'm going to rename that. I'm going to hack the game and rename it. Thank you so much, Bedna. I love you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. Alright, now that I have the cheat enabled again, I'm going to get rid of my shotgun. No more. I'm gonna keep my one round. Oh, I don't even need this either. is this? What's with the oh my, Julian? Alright, so down here, there's gonna be Magnum rounds. Now I'm gonna do my thing again. Uh-oh. Okay, yes. So there's Magnum rounds here. Are there any more Magnum rounds over here? I think it's shotgun shells, is there? But let's try just in case. Oh, come on. You stupid. Shotgun rounds. Alright, that's fine. So I'm gonna go back up again. And there they are. Haha. Shall we get 100 again, just in case? We should get 100, eh? Come on. Oh, you. I love how Ada always runs to me when she sees me. Like, she's always happy, excited to see me, and she goes, and she runs towards me. Look, 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 look. Chris! Might take a while to get 100. Hey, welcome! Nice to see you, Jork. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. So, since you just joined, I'm going to explain what's going on. I'm playing a game where the area resets every single time you leave the area. The aim is to respawn all the monsters, so it makes the game harder, but I discovered that I can actually go back and forth and claim more ammo. I'm grinding some ammo right now. Let's see if I can get 100. I can keep doing this. I can get 1,000 if I wanted. Sakura's lurking. Sakura's lurking. Come on. Come on, you stupid computer. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know. Alright. Yes, you didn't know that? Amy. You knew that. I think I learned that from you, actually. Right? The wish list. Streamlabs has a wish list feature. I think I got that from you. And I think I put Funko Pops in mine. I don't know. No, I put a Resident Evil game, the Nintendo 64 one. Yeah, I got that from you. I think I got that from you. Yes, I did. I'm 100% sure that I got it from you, yes. You had the PS4, exactly. I learned that from you. I was browsing yours. Stalking, and I'm like, what? There's a new feature. And then I added mine afterwards. But it's not really buying you the item, it's just donating the right amount of money for you to get the item, you see? Funko Pops has donations. Screw bills. Oh man. Ah. So I had this amazing idea for an RE2 stream. I was planning to do a stream. You know how it is. If every single time I get damaged, I take a shot, or maybe I eat a chili. I'm gonna do those again. No problem. I'm gonna do those. But I was thinking of doing one on a treadmill with the camera, and every time I get bit, I increase the speed by 1. How awesome would that be? Me playing Resident Evil whilst walking, jogging on the treadmill. That would be so awesome. But I need to buy a treadmill first. I would love to do that. 96, come on. Almost there. That's vloggy average. Ooh, why does... Well, yeah. I think the thing is this. Every morning I wake up, and by my bed, I find a mosquito or 2 dead next to my bed. I'm like, what's going on? Why do I keep finding dead mosquitoes next to my bed? Here's the thing. They bite me, they suck my blood, they get drunk, and they pass out. No, I'm kidding. Just a joke. I don't find dead mosquitoes. But it's funny. It's funny. Or like a passed out vampire on the floor. Alright, let me try reload the gun. Combine. I'm down to 97. That's not right. Come on, one more. Not staying at login. What? Your loss. That's fine. Alright, we're done. Out of here. I'm done. Hold on. There's first aid sprays here as well. So... here we go again. Don't go to Malta. Don't go to Malta. Don't go to Malta. That's fine. It's fine. I just realized I need the valve handle. I almost forgot. If they click on your list, if they click on your Streamlabs link, they will see the wish list. That's how I found yours. You might go to bed. That's fine, Midna. Thank you so much for hanging out. You go get some rest. You probably have school tomorrow. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. No, Wednesday. My goodness. Today is Wednesday. Oops. Ada, wait! Let's go. It's 2 a.m. Yes, 1:30 a.m. actually. You are semi-late. Yes, I am, Sakura. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. You know it. You know me. You see, it's sweet. It's sweet that you know me.
Leon.
Oh,
That
man.
woman was... I have to talk to her.
I like that. That means Chris is gonna bitch slap Annette. Guys. It's gonna happen. I better disable the cheat here because I don't want to mess this up. Yeah, alright. So yeah, Chris is gonna bitch. You see, there it is. It's spinning too fast. I have to leave and come back. Hold on. You see, that's why I disabled it. It's 1:37 a.m. I don't want to go to Malta because True will be there. Can you imagine Can you imagine if one day we actually all met? You, me, True, Amy. That would be epic. That would be epic. What? What is going on? What just happened? Uh-oh. Guys. Hold on, because I think this is the end, huh? That would be so awesome. I want to hold a gathering here in Malta. A meetup gathering. A meetup. I disabled the cheat, yes. Yes. How am I playing as Chris and I have all these? I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna skip. Man. No, True is fine. I don't think True means harm. True is okay. He's on vacation right now, I think. Can you imagine if we all met? That would be such a bad influence on you guys. I'm kidding. I won't. I'm a good guy, actually. I'm serious. I'm gonna see if I can skip the whole thing here. I don't know. I skipped the whole thing. I'll hold an event here in Malta. Vlogicon. Vlogicon. I skipped the whole cutscene. That's so weird. I was hoping to pee during that cutscene. Now I won't pee. I don't need this. This bullet wound.
This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
Quiet, Leon. I'll patch you up. That's 2 I owe you.
Don't mention it.
I just found out. John's dead.
She turned Chris into Leon.
Never mind. Let's just get out of here. The sooner the better.
And I'm back to Chris again. That's fine. Hold on. I still didn't pick up the thing, huh? I need to pick up the... That's okay. I will. Ah! Wingman. Wingman. Wingman!
Don't move. You're the one who was with that cop, if I'm not mistaken. Identify yourself.
What?
Ada? Ada Wong. Ada Wong. I've heard that name before.
So funny.
I remember. One of the men from Chicago who came to assist the T-virus research used his girlfriend's name as his password. Ada and John, I believe.
How did you know? Who are you?
Annette Birkin. My husband is the man responsible for the creation of the T-virus. William Birkin.
What?
John's dead. He became one of those zombies.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. Chris bitch slapping Annette.
You will be joining him shortly. I won't let anyone take the G-virus away from me.
G-virus?
It's capable of creating the ultimate bioweapon. Its potential is even greater than that of the T-virus.
Then that must mean the
I'm gonna go
creature in
pee
the police department
while the
is
thing plays, and I'll be right back for the bitch
Precisely.
slap. I'll be back.
My husband, William. And it's all Umbrella's fault. None of this would have happened if they hadn't tried to steal his research away from him.
This way. It's sheer perfection. My precious G-virus. No one will ever take you away from me.
There he is.
So you finally come.
Doctor, we're here to collect the G-virus sample.
Sorry, but I won't just hand over my life's work.
Stop! You might hit the sample. That's it, all right. Okay, let's move out.
William. Oh my. Hold on, darling. I'm taking care of that bullet wound first. Stay here.
Alpha team, have you retrieved the sample yet?
Affirmative. We'll be at the rendezvous point in 1 minute.
Roger.
Are you telling me that he injected the G-virus into his
You know, I was just gonna say that. This reminds me of Operation Raccoon City, and it's been a while since we played that.
G-virus has
Come
the
on, let's
ability
play it
to
again.
override cellular functions.
We all gotta play again. There we go.
What was that? Something's wrong. Let's check it out. Over there. Shoot! Eat this, you freak! I'm stopping it! What is this thing? Hurry! What is this thing? Fire! Fire! Son of a...
Here it comes. The Chris bitch slap. It's coming.
So those rats were the carriers of the virus.
As a result of his virus-induced transmutation, William should have lost some power memories
The bitch slap is coming, guys.
by now. Even worse, every G-virus bioweapon, including William, has the ability to implant embryos into other creatures.
And create offspring.
She's just standing there. Ada's just there. That's so funny.
Too bad.
Too bad. Oh my goodness, that was epic. Let's go. Oh no! No! I got an error, guys! Do you guys see it? I got an error on screen. You don't see it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. No! No, it crashed the game! Ah! The game crashed! Oh my goodness, the game crashed. That's it. It's done. RIP. The game crashed. I want to see. I want to show you what I got. Actually, I'm not going to show you because there's a bunch of report details of my Mac stuff, UDID and oh my goodness, it died. God dang it. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna play another round, but just an extreme battle. Why don't we do an extreme battle? We do an extreme battle, yes. Yes. If I can get it on screen to load. Let's see. It didn't work. Leon. Hold on. I need to disable the cheat now. Hold on. Disable the cheat. Cheat manager. It crashed. It crashed. I was expecting that to happen. Quiplash. No Quiplash. No Quiplash. We said Resident Evil in this stream. We're gonna stick to Resident Evil. Load game. Hold on. Give me a sec. Give me a secundo. No, not here. I think it's a range game. Yes. No. No. Hold on. Slot A. Arrange data. There we go. Extreme Battle 2. Let's do a run. Let's do an Extreme Battle run. Why not? Load game. 37 Madhouse. Not now. Alright, game start. Let's go. Game start, level 2. Let's see how far we'll get. Let's see how far we'll get. Alright, let me do the narration. Alright. Because Sakura likes to do it, so I'm gonna do it. You know. A hazardous virus has been detected inside the transport train. Return to the police precinct and find 4 special bombs located within and use them to incinerate all traces of the virus. Although unknown threats and terrors will be encountered throughout your mission, the fate of all the humankind depends upon your immediate action. Good luck! Alright, let's go. I love the music. I love the music so much. Oh, and by the way, this is the same music that Capcom used to announce the RE2 remake in their video. I don't know if you're familiar with. You! Oh, no. He still got me. God dang it. Can we unlock Chris? I don't think so. My God, it's empty already. You know what I'm gonna do? Already on danger. All right, hold on. Hey, Vegano, welcome. Nice to see you. All right, what I'm gonna do is this. Hold on. I can't see a thing. What's going on? I can't see a thing. What? she not running forward now? She's not walking forward. What's going on? Alright, at least we sorted something out. Alright, at least. But I'm on danger. Let's see if I can make it. Come on. I have unlimited ammo, but I'm on danger. Are we gonna do this? I need to find some healing. Come on. I don't need these. I need healage. Come on. Maybe this is better as a gun. I think it's better. No, no healing. No, 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 nothing. Cheap. Till I die. If I die, I quit the stream. That's it. That's it. No, 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 no. That was cheap. That was cheap. The enemy was hiding outside the camera angle. That is not fair. That is not fair. We're gonna try again. We're gonna try again. We're gonna try again. I don't care. One more time. If I die, I quit the stream. That's it. Let's go. What can I say? I'm a gamer. I cannot quit. I can't quit. It's 2 a.m. I can afford another hour, I think. Take this, zombies. Take this. What's in here? Can I go in here? Let's see what's in here. It won't open. Uh-oh. I think this gun is better. Let's go. That was so cheap. The way I died. Let's try again. We keep going. Come get it. What? There we go. Whoa! 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 Bang, 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 bang. A bang, a bang, a bangity bang. I said a bang, bang, bangity bang. A bang, bang, bang. And there's still save rooms in this area. I like that. A bang, bang, bang. Oh, herbage. Sweet, sweet herbage. Nice. I'm gonna put some stuff in the thing. Oh wow, I have an unlimited knife. I'll keep the gun actually. Hold on. Let's go. I'm getting sleepy now with the wine. I'm very mellow right now. Hold on, can I go through here? I don't think so, eh? I can! What? No, I don't. You know what? Never mind. Let's get this over with. Stage clear. Press any button. A bang bang bangity bang, a bang bang bang. The music is fantastic. Nothing here. Let's go. Look at tralala. I'll tell you tralala in a second. Hold on. Hold on. I'll tell you tralala in a sec. Let me just finish this. Nothing in here. Let's go, locos. Todos bananos. Uh-oh. Stay down, sucker. No. Nothing. No, nothing. That's fine. Come on. Get away from me. My ding ding dong. I cannot even do it right now. Should I do a karaoke? Should I sing you a song, guys? Should I sing you a song? But this mic is not really good. You know. Seriously. Hello, sweet sweet herbage. Ah, you got me. Oh no! No! Get up there! Get up there! Get up there! Seriously? Oh! Wow. I wanted to have my revenge. Did you see that? Did you guys see that? Did you see I got double hit from one side and the other? Did you see that? That's impossible. I've never seen that before. That's amazing. I said I would stop after I die, and I'm gonna stop. It's getting late for me. Wow, that was amazing. That was really good. GG Lickers. Mind blown, huh? Really. Wow, one from one side and one from the other. Like, then they chopped my head off. That was fantastic. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go get some sleep. It's 2 a.m. It's still early, but early. My standard, but I have to get some rest because of stuff. They did touch the tralala. Tralala. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I promise next stream will be longer. Longer? A longer stream, yes. Yeah, but I have to have an early night. 2 a.m. is an early night for me. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you, Amy. Bye. Thank you, Sakura. And Vegano. And who else is here? Who else is here? Show yourself. Come out of lurk. So I say goodbye to you. Personally, I say a goodbye like this. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go sleep. Would you like a stream of me sleeping, perhaps? I don't know. I'm gonna go. Oh, Obi! Chase! I called you Obi for the first time ever because maybe I'll start calling you Obi from now on. You'll hug me. See ya, thank you so much. I'm gonna send you a kiss. Not just to Sakura though, to everyone. Here it comes. Brace yourselves. That was loud. That was very loud. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. And I will see you next time. Ciao!